You think the Easter Bunny came to your house?
Right now?
You think he did?
Yeah, we cleaned up really good last night, didn't we?
Maybe he's being the baby.
A baby? Maybe he brought treats.
Mommy, let's see.
She found one. He came. He must have came. Come. You got another one.
And Bear's been out.
Yes, and Bear came back. But what was Bear holding?
Bear.
Ah! And what was in the pot? Another egg.
What's the gummy bear? The gummy bear. See?
The Easter Bunny can hop really high in the air.
Why?
Well, he can. He's a bunny. He hops. So you got to remember that there might be things that are up in the air that the Easter Bunny hid. Way up high. Remember we said the Easter Bunny puts things up high? I bet you that's one thing. Oh my God. You got it. Ooh, that sounds fun. You got a lot of stuff from the Easter Bunny. Ooh. What is that?
There's like beads and string. You can make a necklace.
Wow.
And we can make a microphone.
Yeah.
With it.
Maybe,
Wow.
yeah.
A sparkly microphone? Like in High School Musical?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, there's one under Daddy's
Oh my
coat.
gosh. Wow, how clever is that?
That's funny.
The Easter Bunny.
I think it was the Easter beagle here.
Ooh, the Easter Beagle, huh? Might have been the Easter Beagle.